In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shapes for Capcut on PC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add clean, professional shapes to your project using the Capcut web editor and how to set things up so everything looks the way you intend. Start by opening your browser and heading to capcut.com. This brings you to Capcut's workspace where you'll start a fresh project. Look for the option to create new and click it. This opens the editor with a blank timeline and a large preview area, which is where you'll see your canvas and any graphics you add. Next, choose the canvas you want. Picking the right aspect ratio at the beginning saves you time later. For example, 9:16 is perfect for vertical platforms, 16:9 is ideal for YouTube and widescreen, and 1:1 works well for square posts. Selecting the right canvas ensures your shapes keep their proportions and sit exactly where you want them in the final frame. Once you're inside the editor, open the text panel from the left side. Even if your primary goal is shapes, adding text is helpful if you plan to label your shapes or pair them with headings and captions. Click Add Body Text and a text box appears on your canvas and timeline. You can type a title or placeholder now or simply leave it for later styling. The key is that the text element is available and easy to align with the shapes you're about to add. Now, switch to Elements on the left panel. This is Capcut's library of graphics, including basic geometric shapes that are perfect for backgrounds, buttons, callouts, and overlays. In the Elements search bar, type the shape you want. Try words like square, circle, rectangle, or triangle. Using a specific keyword helps you find simple, clean shapes quickly. If you see both solid and outline versions, pick the style that matches your design. When you find the shape you like, select it to add it to your canvas and timeline. You'll see it appear in the preview, ready to position and refine. Drag to move it exactly where you want and use the corner handles to resize while keeping it neat and proportional. In the Properties panel, you can adjust details like color and opacity to match your brand or scene. If you're combining shapes with text, arrange your layers so the shape sits behind the text for a polished look. That's it. You've opened Capcut, created a new project, picked the right canvas, added text for labels, explored elements, searched for a shape and placed it in your design. You're ready to build clean, eye-catching graphics right inside Capcut on your PC.